So, Natalia, inmediatamente vamos a tener cycle momentum down pretty big, pero eso no quiere decir que vamos a bajar. Hay que esperar. Or you guys are in the huddle.
Sí, estamos acá.
Buenos dias, buenos dias. What's going on, everybody? Buenos dias, buenos dias. What's going on, everybody? Yo, what was that big small cap gapper yesterday? It was like a $1 to $4 name. BDTX. Holy shit! So it went to 7.5. So what do you think about this one? Yeah. Yeah. Right off the open. Hmm. Right. Hmm. Madman is saying huge day yesterday in airline stocks for real. I didn't even look at him once. Oh wow. I didn't even look at him once, man. Whoa. This Delta and all this shit. Yo, this Delta is straight up. Why? Or there is no why. It's a dumb question, but humor me anyway. Um. Wow. I'm just looking at some of these airlines, man. Specifically the Delta. Like, what the fuck? You trading these things at all? What about the long? I'm not talking about here. I'm talking about from 30s. That's a fucking big move. Wow. Wow. Somebody want to tell me what the fuck is going on there? I missed the whole shit. So what happened yesterday? And that's your rotation there too. But yesterday they were buying everything. JetBlue, Delta, American Airlines. And it had nothing to do with oil. Whoa. Wow. Ask Chrissy Trades. Bitcoin is not selling. Fucking relax. 30,000 is just flat. They've been working people long. I've been selling a lot of calls on BTC. So I've been selling the 31s and the 31s and a halves. Every single day I'll sell the 31 250 and then the 31 500. I'm actually getting some decent premium for it too, surprisingly enough. Um, yeah. Anyways, let's take a walk around here. We'll take a little. We'll take a look at some news as well. Um, Yo, did you guys see the pictures of Musk training with Lex Friedman and shit? Look at this shit. So I guess they're taking this shit seriously, man. I guess they're going for this. They're really gonna fucking fight. Impromptu training session with Elon Musk. I'm extremely impressed with his strength, power, and skill on the feet and on the ground. He said, I think the world is served far better if they train martial arts, but not fight in the cage. Zuckerberg was showing off his shredded physique in recent months, including a grueling training regimen that involves running 2 miles, doing 100 pull ups, 200 push ups, and 300 squats. Man, I can do that shit. You think you could do that? You could do that. Run 2 miles, 100 pull ups, 200 push ups, and 300 squats. Yeah. 2 hours? It'll take you all day? I mean, you're 2 miles, you're done in 20 minutes, 21 minutes. The pull ups. The pull ups. That's eso te cansa. The squats, I can rock that shit. I can rock that shit. Chris, I have no idea. All I know is that if I'm in Puerto Rico, I'm in the fucking office, whether the market is open or not. And remember, there's fucking 12 other people here, man. Royal Mac is saying your Taco Bell ass ain't doing but 5 squats. Listen, I listen. I love Taco Bell. Okay. In fact, I ate there the other day. I had extra hots. You know what I'm saying? However, I would like y'all to know. I mean, you know, I can get down. Anyways, other news here. Um, this chip concern shit. Shares of graphics chip maker fell about 5% in pre-market trading on Wednesday after reports that the U.S. is planning to impose new curbs on shipments of AI chips to China. AMD down 4% in sympathy. Blah 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 blah. You know, I don't want to read all this shit, but yeah, that's the that's what's going on over there. And it's a pretty big gap down. So if you think about just the ebb and flow of things, you think about how many people got long Nvidia yesterday. You know, you could make the case for a move under 400 today at some point. You really could. You could. You could also make the case for a rally back. I don't know. I don't know. But Nvidia and AMD are obviously going to be the things to watch in the morning here. Apparently, Tesla got an upgrade and Pin's got an upgrade. I don't know what the hell this is. Somebody's saying when it comes, Meek says the two recent Alphabet Google downgrades are legit, even though he likes the stock long term. Blah 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 blah. What do you guys got? Powell was speaking at 9:30. Powell speaking at 9:30. Can somebody tell me what the fuck this man is going to say, and who the fuck is he talking to? And what the fuck else does he have to say that he hasn't already said 9 times in the last week already? By the way, apparently Ark bought Pinterest. Ark bought a stake in Pinterest, but it wasn't that big. It was like a couple $1 million. I I thought Arc was. I think Arc is also a decent buy for the next couple of next month or so. But what do I know? Um, it's gonna be a tough day today. It's gonna be a tough day today. You know, Home Depot was a big winner yesterday. Names like that were the big winners yesterday. Obviously, those airlines, which I didn't even see. So thanks somebody for throwing that out there today. Tesla, you got a little bit of an upgrade, so the stock's trading okay. Shop's actually green. Again, doesn't matter. Bank of America's green. Some of the banks here are green. Again, doesn't fucking matter. Um, and then there was a Netflix upgrade. There was a Netflix upgrade. You know, uh, so we're kind of all over the place here. So if I had to pick a direction, I would pick chop today. I would pick chop today. I wouldn't say down. I wouldn't say down. I wouldn't say up. I would just say straight up. I would just say chop. Um, so I'm gonna watch Nvidia, of course, off the open, and then of course keep an eye on the Pinterest and the Snap. You guys see that I still have 1,500 lot of the Pinterest here. Obviously, it'd be smart to cover some. You know, I mean, at this point, I'm just making back money that I lost for the past week. So, am I excited about it? Whatever. However, with yesterday's action, I am further confident, though, still that this market is going higher, and I don't think there's big enough sellers here to push us down and to push anything down. If you looked at the Meta, if you looked at the Apple yesterday, they all look pretty good. Now, could it be a complete setup and we reverse the whole thing? Totally fucking possible. Totally fucking possible. In which case, I'd have to hedge it all again and then start all over again. That is what it is. Um, yeah. Powell due to participate in a panel discussion titled Policy Panel at the ECB Forum on Central Banking in Sintra. Really think this is anything. I really think this is. You're saying you really don't think this is anything important. I agree. I agree. I agree. I agree. I like the kind of push off, right? I mean, if it's about ECB, they've already raised all their rates anyway. End of month before 4th of July, it would be a crime to let the market go lower. Uh, I got a fucking cramp again. Oh, oh. Fuck me, man. I'm a fucking old man, guys. Joseph, do me a favor, grab me some water. Ooh. I mean, at least it happened at 9:15. Oh. Oh. Thanks, bro. Oh. Oh. Magnesium. Yeah, I get all the fucking trucos, man. Listen, I played for fucking 3 hours this morning. I drank a ton of water. Oh. Oh. I gotta start taking pills over there for that shit. Ooh. Man, shut up with the fucking 2 mile run. Coño. Man, this is the other problem with going live is I gotta listen to y'all fucking. I gotta listen to y'all. I should just shut the stream off or shut the chat off. That way I can just talk. It's like It's like those celebrities that just tweet and then they never look at the mentions. Because if they did, they'd probably kill themselves. There was this video of these Japanese guys eating bananas, and he was like, "Monkeys never cramp." Oh, all right, all right, we good. Ooh. Bud Light tries new ad sales as sales continue to plunge. Well, you had a trans as your spokesperson. Maybe we should make better decisions. I should drink a fucking Bud Light. Is what I should do. Ooh. All right. I mean, I play better when I'm drunk. Well, not drunk, but I play beach tennis better when I'm like, when when I have my life. Somebody's talking about the Roblox. Yeah, I have the I mean, I bought the Roblox. I bought Roblox yesterday. I bought everything yesterday because I think I got shook out. The real move is still higher, just like I had originally planned, barring this Nvidia, obviously, which is a problem. I bought the shop back. I bought everything back yesterday. I literally bought everything back. Could I be wrong? 100%. 100% I could be wrong. Billy is saying, is it frowned upon if I smoke a fatty in the office? You can hit the pen. You can totally hit the pen. I wouldn't hit the flower, but we got a rooftop here. You can just hit the flower and then come back down, bro. I don't give a shit. Fuck do I care? Do what you got to do. Um, Samsa is saying, were you surprised? I was a little surprised. Yeah. You could say I was surprised. Yeah, I think we all were. And then once I looked at everything, I was like, because again, you know what they did yesterday and the day before? They slammed Nvidia and they didn't sell the market. They didn't sell the market. You know? Am I still in Puerto Rico? Like, who the fuck? Yes. Like, I'm in here. This office is in Puerto Rico. But that's how marketing is. I mean, look at this. On Wednesday, the beer giant announced the new campaign called "That's Who We Are. We Make Beer." Now we're going back to that narrative, right? But meanwhile, they chose third month of declining sales following partnership of with Mulvaney, which prompted a boycott among certain U.S. consumers. Sales of Bud Light declined 28%. Ah, the money doesn't lie. You know what I'm saying? The money doesn't lie. Oh, Constellation bought the wine. RB is saying our supplier for the racetrack is literally begging us to take the Bud Light. uh, right? And now you quickly have to pull it back. You know what I mean? You quickly have to pull it back. Shah is saying, "Hi, Sang. I'm a new viewer. What's your favorite type of setup slash trade you're looking for?" Well, considering you're a new viewer, I'm not gonna shit on you immediately, right? Um, you want answers to those questions, Shah. You gotta pay me. I got an education. You can pay me. This is for entertainment and for you guys to watch me trade. You'll learn a lot by watching. But if you ask me questions like that, Shah, you know, you ain't gonna get an answer. As far as my favorite setups, I don't fucking know. The money never lies, John. Indeed, indeed. Which makes it the fucking indicator. Pins here starting to fade. I would imagine this thing like dumps off the open. Like I think this thing's gonna dump off the open. You know. Um, Yo, that FCNCA though, I missed it. Fucking missed it. It was a good one. Look at this thing. It was a good one. I'm still kind of waiting for a rally here. I would love to short this thing. Would absolutely love to short this thing. It's not the easiest short though. You gotta sit on that for a while. Here we go back to pins here. There's some sellers on the pins. I don't know how much my options are going to open up. We'll see. First thing I'm going to do though is hedge my long book, obviously, with some short SPX. I really don't have that much leverage though. That's kind of a problem. That is kind of a problem. I only got about a mill and change in leverage here, so that's going to be a problem. So that's definitely going to lighten up the shit that I can do. But fuck it, it is what it is. All right, so we know what SPX is going to open up. I don't know what 43.68 maybe. 43.68. Right. So if we open up 43.68 and I'll sell the 4400s by 44.30s. Let's queue those up. Let's get those ready to go, and then we'll go from there. Other than that, we gotta wait for Powell, man. You know what I mean? Powell's gonna say some dumb shit, or maybe he won't. Maybe he ain't gonna say shit. Yeah, I think Netflix got an upgrade. RB is saying I'm looking for SPX to close the week below 43.20. Snap is green too. Just saying. I don't think it. I don't think it means anything, but it is green too. Now the other problem is let's load this Pinterest up on the radar here because we're gonna want to close this off the open. The problem with this is gonna be getting a fill. You know what I mean? Because the fill is gonna be terrible. The fills are gonna be, you know, I mean the spread is what I'm trying to say. The spread is gonna be horrible. So I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna see. We're gonna have to see this thing open up. And remember, I got the August options anyway. I'm all the way out to fucking August. In reality, if I'm all the way out to August and I still want to hold this thing, I should just sell some calls off this. That's what I should do and then hold this August option here. Or should I pull some off, sell the calls, and then hold it? What do you guys think? Not that I give a shit, but I'm throwing it out there. Respect your plan. What plan do I have? Does it look like I ever have a fucking plan? Plan. You guys have been watching me trade for months now. You think I got a fucking plan? These guys talking about plans and shit. Exactly. Bruce knows. This ain't no damn plan. Yo. Yeah. He did? What does he look like? So he's Bruce. You got pictures of the ocean and the beach and the slingshot car on your Instagram. Did you follow Ben? Is that you? Oh, so now we know. Yo, send me his profile. That way I can see who the fuck this dude is. Fucking Bruce. They're saying something on. So it's an ECB policy panel, and they're gonna show it right now. Whatever the fuck, man. Whatever the fuck on that shit. New Americans got the panel stream. Should we watch? Do you guys want to watch this? I mean, I can put it on. Uh, I think those are just the programs. Well, yeah. Tesla is red now. Tesla is red now, down a point. Um, Again, the minute right before the open, there's always going to be programs that run on these particular names here. So don't get too giddy on that shit. Like look at AMD. There's a program running the opposite direction on AMD. You know what I mean? All right. So, yo, Joel, can you check on the Wall Street Jesus broadcast there? All right, here we go. Pins here. They swept it down, of course. Market here looking weak. Let's just watch this Nvidia. Nice pop Nvidia. 408. 408 on the Nvidia there. That's impressive. Pins calls haven't opened yet. According to this, I'm down a shit ton. Nice spike up on that Nvidia. Snap is flat. You see Microsoft here. So that program that ran, off the open on a lot of the tech names, it didn't matter. If you look at Tesla, it's back up. Look at Amazon. You know what I mean? Look at Amazon. It looks fine. Nvidia 409. That's bullish for the market. Pins options haven't opened yet. Um, pins options still haven't even opened. So I want to get the hedge on. Wow, the 4,400 calls are worthless, man. So you're not even getting premium here. Motherfuck. Holy shit. There it is. Pins opened up. Psh, options are trading wild, though. Nice dump market. Let's see if we can get 230 on these. Yeah. Yeah, they gave us 100 at 230. Wow, it's trading 270. Holy shit, this pins. God damn. We gotta take some off that. Let's take more at 240. We got some at 240. Oh no! I accidentally fat fingered out of all of it. Oh, you asshole. Oh no. Oh my god. Let me just take a second. Let me take a second to breathe it in here. All right. All right. This is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do. We're going to roll it. We're going to roll it. We're going to roll it. We're going to roll it to the 30s. All right? We're going to roll it to the fucking 30s and then we're going to write against it. I can't fucking believe I just did that shit. I cannot believe I just did that shit. What a fucking jump. What a fucking jump, bro. I haven't looked at anything else, by the way. I have no idea what the hell is going on elsewise. All right, we're buying back in and rolling. So we just bought back in the August 30s. I got 500 of those. Fuck. Fuck me sideways, bro. It is what it is. I'll just shake it off. Where is Netflix? 431. Do I have any of the Netflix? I didn't buy any of the Netflix. I thought I bought a whole basket of those Fat Man names, but I didn't buy any of the Netflix. Look at this Netflix. That's telling you a lot about the character of the Fat Man names and all these names, you know? If you look at the Amazon, it's up a point and change. Look at Apple. You know, it looks fine. Natalia, how are we looking over there? I know what the numbers are. How are we looking, girl? Okay. I can't believe I fucking did that shit. That snow looks good too, man. That snow looks real good. Yeah, that snow looks real good. It's a weird tape though. I can't believe I fat fingered that shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. You fucking fat fingered that. Fucking motherfucker. You motherfucker. I mean, all the volume is me on those 27s, by the way. The whole volume, all that shit is me. 260 bid now. All right, all right, all right. I mean, we're back at 28. This is definitely a level here, right? So if we were to sell calls for this week, we're selling 28 and a halves, but that's too risky. Let's wait this out. Let's wait this out. Let's take a look at Snap. Snap here is doing nothing. We already rolled on the pins. We can't do any. We can't do much more. It is what it is. We sold calls on the SPX. Airlines are still strong. Wow, Ben, take a look at these airlines. You might like these. Take a look at Shop. Remember, I'm long still a bunch on that. Roblox still looks okay. But mostly here, I think I'm looking to just hedge the long for the most part, and then figure out where the pin starts to look a little toppy. Okay, let's let's. How much would it cost us? I still have 300,000 in leverage. How much would it cost us to sell 1,000 of these 28 and a halves? Let's start. Shit, 100 grand to sell 100? The fuck out of here, man. You give me no kind of fucking love. Um, ¿Dónde abrimos el secundario, Natalia? 39. Menos de ayer o menos? Check out the shop, guys. It's up about a point. It hit 65. I really like this shop. I'm already in it. I got 100 lot, but I'm not even up on it. How am I not even up on it? What am I missing here? What am I missing here? Shop. I'm in the July 70s. I guess that's why. But you know what? Let's buy another 100 of those. We bought it on the 100 of the shop. By the way, Ian, well, what do we care about EMPH? We don't give a shit. Pins here, fresh highs. Fuck, fuck, motherfucker. Where are those 27s? 270 bid on the 27s. 270 bid on the 27s. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. You motherfucker. I can't believe I did that, guys. I mean, I'm up 10 grand on the roll. So I guess it's not all shitty. UG Front is saying, how did you sleep on GNRC? What the fuck is GNRC? Generac? Who trades this shit? Presto is saying short everything. I disagree. New Americans talking about MDB. Check out MongoDB. Damn. Yo, Ben, AJ, check out this MDB. This thing has been 160 bucks beginning of the year to $410, man. Data is the new Bud Light. I'm I, I'm sorry. I just had it in my head because of fucking that TikTok influencer. Data is the new Bud Light. J Dub, I know. I fucking accidentally sold the shit. Fucking accidentally sold the shit. Where's Tesla? Tesla 250. There's. Yeah, thank you. Like I'm now watching it over here. And I don't have any of the Tesla. I don't have any Tesla. I can't believe I fat fingered that shit, guys. I can't believe it. Can't fucking believe it. All right, Meta here. Let's just take a walk around the club here real quick. Natalia, if you look at some of these, like look at Tesla. You know what I mean? I mean, you're already looking at these. I know. Look at like Shop and shit, Amazon. Is Google actually moving today? Is Google está moviendo hoy? Right? So eso no te va a permitir a sortear algo por ahora. Y el liquidez, tú ves. All right, I have a leverage problem. I got a big leverage problem. I got a big fucking leverage problem now. I'm gonna have to solve, and I don't know how to solve it. SPX is trading 43.68. I'm selling the 85s. Why? Why? All right, what do y'all got? In reality, I don't have to do much. I hedged my book. I have my longs. I'm okay. The only thing I want to do is just figure out where this pins is gets a little toppy. BA gap fill? Don't tell me. Don't even tell me. Is this thing up? 210. Am I up on my BA? I got next week. I'm up small on this 50 lot BA, even though I lost everything on it. Drew puked his spy puts. I mean, I think you might have been a little too early puking them out, bro. But, you know, whatever. Yeah, clean. Sometimes you need a clean slate. Check out this open. Yo, it's a $3 stock. Wasn't this thing? Wasn't this thing like $100? Open? What happened to this thing? Nobody uses open table no more? I thought this was a $100 stock. $50 stock. It was a $30 stock. Nice dump. Nice dump on pins there. Nice dump on the SPY. There you go. Nice dump on pins. There's your dump on pins, guys. There it is. There it is. Now, the what you want to do is sell a ton of the calls right now. You want to sell a ton of the fucking calls right now. You really do. But I got no leverage. I got no fucking leverage. I got no fucking leverage. What the fuck did he say? Some news just hit. Some news just hit. AMD lows. 409 Nvidia. FCNCA. I might be able to get a reshort there. Hawkish. Hawkish. There you go. It was news, Natalia. It was news. Jesus is talking about the $70 sweep in July. That's the same line that I got, and that's not me. That is not me. That ain't me. That ain't me. That ain't me, but they bought. What did they pay? They paid $1.43 for that option. They paid $1.43 for that option. I got 200 of those. I got 200 of those. I got to debate if I want to buy some more. Let's buy another 50. Fuck it. Let's buy another 50 of those. Now, if you notice, my P&L is going back down because all this other shit is starting to sell. Right? SPY specifically, because I got a lot of SPY. I have a lot of SPY. OSTK, they're coming back too. Jesus is talking about. Jerome Powell just said he would not rule out raising rates at consecutive meetings. He already said that, though. The motherfucker already said that. He definitely already said that shit. Without a doubt. Big old breaking news in red on the TV. Breaking. Son programas, Natalia. I mean, tú puedes shortear ese, pero es bien agresivo. Y todavía están comprando par de nombres. Específicamente, si tú ves Shopify, check out that one. They're buying that shop, man. I mean, I got 250 already. So we're making money there. How much are we up on Shopify? We're up $7,000 on that. We bought $1.20. We're trading $1.50. I got 250 of these. So we could buy more. Let's wait. Let's wait. How about we do that? Let's just wait. CVNA. Damn. Look at CVNA comeback here. Last 2 day comeback. That's impressive. Check out the Melly. Remember, you got the Shopify moving up. Melly's trading differently, but I don't know. Do we buy the shares and then go for a move to 1300? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Let's take a look at the meta. What else you guys got? RCL. These names. Cruise liners and the airline. Cruise lines and the airline stocks. What are we missing? What am I missing here? Somebody give me the narrative here. Why the fuck have these things been ripping so much? I guess that's the same narrative as Pinterest, right? It's a piece of shit. It's got to go up at some point. You could make that case for it. Styles the same buying GS, selling BAC. Okay. Good luck for you. AMD, whatever. Look at the Shopify. Nice dump on the shop. COVID is over, Presto? That's what you have to say? What a herb. What a herb. LCID and Rivian. Well, what about Peloton? How about the Peloton? I'm debating on shorting more of the SPX. I need some more fucking leverage, bro. I need some more leverage, bro. Market back down to lows. Not enough leverage. Fuck. I can only get 60 of these. I need leverage. Fuck, fuck, fuck. You know what? Pinterest is back to highs. Fuck out of here. Why don't I just bury the 100 lot on the pins? That'll get me 100K back, but that's nothing, man. I need more than that. Fuck, where am I gonna get this leverage? Fuck, 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 fuck. TTD is trade desk now. This is another one. This is another one that got slammed for COVID. This looks this looks like everything else in reality. Shop came right back up. Teledoc. Snow. Where's the snow? Damn. Nice move on the snow, man. Real nice move on the snow. Nice move on the snow, man, for real. Let's take a look at the NPH. Where's Snapchat? Snapchat's not doing anything. Pinterest is yeah, 280. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. I mean, that option closed at $1.60, yo. Uh, to call Apple a big dump is that's a stretch. Natalia, check out Apple. Might help you. It might help you out here. Keep an eye on Apple, Meta. Yeah, they did sell. They definitely did sell the Apple there. I just don't. I would actually buy I would actually buy this dip. Where's Roblox? 4270 on the Roblox. I got 200 of those. I mean, okay. If we were to look at this from the big picture, right? Our big picture trade is that they shook everybody out, right? Of the long, washed everybody out on Nvidia, all this kind of other shit. They brought everything back, and the next move is going to be another move higher, right? That's my overall thesis. Now, what would trump that particular idea? What would trump it is if um what would trump it is if we recover this whole thing, right? If we dump back this whole move, which is really not that far. I mean, it's like a point and a half away, you know. So it's really not that far. Fucking not that far at all. ABB. Mm, I mean, do you want to interview her? Would you like to come to Puerto Rico? AI just got to move up. Nice call out, Manish. Thank you. Um, that UPST is up a point and a half. Look at the comeback on UPST. That's a 5 point comeback on UPST alone. Uber? Holy shit! Look at this Uber. Yo, I would bet this ARC, $44 back on that ARC. You know, Meta looks fine. Apple looks fine. Look at this Amazon. It's up 2 fucking points. How much do I have on the Amazon? I got 100 lot on the Amazon. I should have a lot more here. Should have a lot more here. Nice spy program up. Natalia, just because now you have more size, remember, remember your emotions. This was supposed to be an aggressive trade, so keep that in mind. Talk to me, Natalia. How you feeling? You good? Okay. It's a 5 minute slope. Maybe they get maybe it gets overextended there too. Maybe. El valor de CM ya bajó. Uber reminds me of Meta. Blah 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 blah. Presto saying I tell my wife to remember her emotions. It never works well. Um, yeah, but she's not. Is she trading? Is she a trader? You know what I'm saying? Roblox 43. Roblox is almost into the gap, by the way. It's got a big old. It's got a big old gap. Um, I do think things are getting a little softer here. Where's that Apple? Look at your Apple. Apple came all the way back too, right? So there's more proof here. More proof here that we're just kind of chilling. Amazon came off a little bit. I think now things get a little quieter. I honestly like the sell puts as well. I like fucking selling puts here. Software and data are hot today. I'm assuming you're talking about the MongoDB. What else are you talking about? That MongoDB looks strong. Strong. Where's the Melly? 188 on the Melly. This thing actually hit 1200 on a program up. I don't know. CHPT. I'll tell you what, it's a bullish market if Peloton goes higher. It's a bull market if Peloton goes higher. You know what I'm saying? D Dog. Yeah, I have alerts set for this range. What do you think? What's your cost, Natalia? Oh 03? Oh, okay. Okay. So tú entrate al. Ah, bueno. There's a lot going on. There's a whole lot going on. For what? Uh huh. Yeah. Yeah. No. That's what I'm starting to finally learn how to do. But again, I'm still spinning. I'm spinning wheels though, just like you though, which is fine. That means you're not hemorrhaging money. BA. I mean, I guess coin is at 71. Get the fuck out of here. And BTC doing nothing? Get the fuck out of here. What the fuck is that all about? Bruce is saying, I think Nvidia going to go higher than yesterday. If Nvidia does that, that'll be crazy. That'll be fucking crazy. Shop chilled out. Most names just kind of chilled out here. Meta here is just kind of going lower. Apple, whatever, it's dead. Amazon dead. Yep. Now that morning juice is gone. AJ, what are your thoughts on MU here? Remember, I have the short call, so I'm hedging my book kind of there, but I still have to decide if this how low here this market can go for the day. I don't know. Microsoft looks weak. Ooh, yeah. Tony Smith is saying Spy 432. If that happens, I'm in trouble. Hands down, I am in trouble because I got all these long swings, and we're not a long swing, or we may not be a long swing. Viste, Natalia, ahora la cosa se ve como tú vas a tener a aguantar esa posición como un rato. Buyers are defending 4,400. Goto. AI highs. Comedy. UPST, they're holding. Okay. I mean, as you can see, guys, I got nothing now. Uh, Amazon here. If you notice, most of the bigger names here, they just kind of went dead. No surprise. Meta and all this kind of stuff. Tesla. Yeah, Microsoft. Snap here did trade up to 1166 and couldn't do anything with it. Shop here trading at 65. Dead. Dead. I'm done here. I'm done here. It's 10 o'clock. Fucking done. Um, anything you guys want to ask me here before I dip out? Yeah, let me know. Other than that, Meeting is saying ETA when you'll have Jesus on, no clue. King Oliver sell SPX calls. I already did. I already did. I got a 60 lot of those. So hopefully I make like 8 grand there, and then we don't sell off too much, you know. And then other than that, that's it. We're good to go. AMD low of day. No surprise. ¿Qué está pensando, Natalia? Pero por qué tú quieres quedar en la posición? Dale. Snow 190. Holy shit. Damn. All right, guys. Again, shout out to our sponsor, Center Point. Again, best deal that we've drawn up with them thus far. You get half off the master course. It's a $4,000 course. You're getting it for 2 grand. All you gotta do is move your account over to Center Points. 30K mins to get 1 month free access to the Steam Room, which, by the way, is our home away from home. This is our digital home. This is where we catch sweepers in Shopify like we saw today and all kinds of other shit. This is our data house. This is home. You feel me? So you get 1 free month of that. You get free access to all this other software here. This is your trading journal. This is your alerts, scans. You can do some automation through here. You get access to a direct market access platform, which will be DAS Trader. Executions are way better. And the most important thing is the customer service, man. I can call these guys at any time, man, and get somebody on the phone. No problems. You try doing that shit with Interactive Brokers, it ain't gonna happen. You try doing that shit with any of your other brokers, it ain't gonna happen. This alone here is worth it, folks. That alone is worth it. So, I will drop in the link for you guys here. Talk to them too. If you have any questions, you can talk to them. Again, customer service is on fire. Okay? Talk to them. You can speak to them. Ask them whatever the hell you want to. Okay? So there's your link. If you want to sign up or if you want to just talk to them, go ahead. Alrighty. And I think Joel, do we have some open desks right now? Okay. Okay. So there are some open desks right now. I think some folks bounced here for the summer. Um, Now would be a good time to take a fucking vacation. So if you're doing absolutely nothing and you want to take a fucking vacation, we're 5 minutes away from the beach. An amazing motherfucking beach, by the way. We're close to all kinds of great food, walking distance. You got to put on some sunscreen, you know what I'm saying? But you'll be all right. So book a desk. All you got to do is go to TradeSpace US, and a lot of people, for some reason, fucking idiots, man. Um, well, I don't know why I just did this. Why would you do that? Oh, I changed this shit. Why would you do that? Nice pop on SPY here. What the fuck? It's in Santurce. So right across the bridge is woo, program up. Okay. So all you want to do is you can book a call, of course, and then if you book a call, my guy will walk you through everything, and he'll tell you which space we have. If you already know what you want, you go here to desk space, and you go ahead. These are all the details for what you get and what comes with it. Everybody who gets a desk gets a locker. Remember, we got the 2 bathrooms here. You get access to these platforms already because they're going to be on the wire, and they're going to be on your computers. Um, and then here are the packages, right? So you can get a year, a month, a couple of days, a week, blah, blah, blah. Package of a couple of days, you're good to go. All right. All you got to do is just sign up, let us know. We will be here. All right. Take care. We will see you tomorrow. This